Off on one of my little excursions again. Somebody says 57 Chevy, a light blue, and that's what we're gonna go see if we can find it here. I've got the exact directions. At least I hope they are. A little bit bumpy here as we try and figure out where we're going. Somewhere right in this place here. Don't look like a 57 Chevy to me. It looks like 55. I don't know. That might be original. I'm just thinking it might have been fixed, but that side for sure not. But you can get those caps. And you're starting to go through there. Maybe that's a problem. Same with that side. Don't know what. Of course, needs a windshield. I love the color. Tina's fine. Just leave it the way it is. And bumper's nice. Of course, your typical going to need some tires. Diff high bolt. For good years, but I can't see the size. What's it like under here? Looks good. This is good. Gives you an idea of friendly Manitoba. I don't know what year that was. You can kind of see seats are original, but at least they haven't been recovered or nothing. Going to the Beat 70, must be 1070, a little dent there. Don't worry about that too much. Back window's good. Chrome needs a little bit of work. Somebody must have, well, it looks like it was hit in the backyard one time. So I wonder if it damaged the trunk and they changed the trunk. It looks like there might have been some body work here too. What do you think? Cut it up into a nice two-door. Or drive as is, I guess. That'd even be easier. I wonder what engine it's got. There were stickers that might have said what something, little footy prints there. Of course, oh, a little piece of chrome missing there. I'm sure you can find that somewhere. These didn't have the gas tank hit in the taillight. It was out in the open. Oh, some kind of a, where is it here? There we go. St. Andrew's College, wherever that is. I think in Manitoba, but some kind of a sticker there too. We're not sure what that is. So you can see a little more of the staining of the seats and that, but look original to me. It's 3-speed standard. It looks like, hard to see what the first number is for the mileage, but I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't. You hit there a little bit, but it's not going to affect the driving. Guess they've been keeping the grass trimmed. Does this give us a tire size? And there's Steel Royal. It's probably under there somewhere, but nice little car. I'm sure the wife would just love it to be in the yard. I have to talk to these guys one of these days. It's probably one of those things, you know, they're going to open it up because that'd be wrong. Can we see what kind of engine's in there? No. Huh. Well, anyway, they're gonna fix up. It was the dads or the grandpas or something, and this is 2020, so, and if it's been sitting here since the 70s or 80s, they can do what they want with it. It's their car. A lot of people complain, oh, you know, it's gonna sit here, it's gonna rot. I think it might. Can't force you to do stuff with it, but definitely should come talk to them. Not bad. You know, I've got one more we can maybe go take a look at in the next video. I think about the same year. If I find it, I'll put a link up in the description there. You can subscribe down here too. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up. Why not check out the channel? And, you know, always doing something like this, these old vehicles. It's amazing where you can find them. Otherwise, I usually do some repairs on some of my own stuff or some friends' stuff too, just as a little hobby. Take care for now. Hopefully you and your family are fine. Till next time, it's Uncle Mark saying goodbye. If you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.